Yeah, that's who catered to Venezuela. Austin 2 is out there on South Park. Or you can go to right down the street, AMLS. April's across the street from yeah. And look for Amos. Austin 2, like Amos.
Just turn the drive on 88 all the way down.
88 all the way straight down.
Pass sheets on 88 all the way down. And Walmart Becker Park. Don't mention me, I think that's the all like $3 grand.
Alright, y'all. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Cash. It's okay, we're about to make adjustments right now.
Alright, hold on. Look.
You need to close up or no?
It can.
I need to go to the front a little bit, or we got to pull the string out. Which way?
Close into you, but it's gonna be like a nice little tuck. Right there. Alright, look. On the joint.
I see the joint. I gotta come forward though.
Alright, it'll pass right here, wherever I got right here. Pick your close up a little more with the string.
But just close up as much as you need. This time I'm gonna pull forward. I'm gonna pull out.
Pull forward. Like, do the same time. Everything the same time.
On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Nah, too much cash.
Yeah, that should be it, bro. That should be it. Hold it.
Nah, it's sticking out.
Where is it sticking out? What's sticking out? Yeah, because it ain't square, it ain't none of that. It ain't even from down, it's from high. It's gonna stick out. From down here, the bottom lip looks good. That's it.
Depende.
Come on, Rich, you act like you've done this before.
You want me to take it out?
You gonna take it out?
Alright. Just like that, yo, the stone is in. We did 2 yesterday at the end of the day. We just did 2 today.
Right now, that shit gotta get hard.
Come on. Get the level, Cash.
I got the level.
Where the mallet at, Rich?
Right behind you.
Why is it there, Rich? Let me get the pad.
Hey, let me get that other level too.
Alright.
The little 2-footer. 2-footer. You can use the 1-footer. I don't need the 1-footer.
Put the 1-footer on top real quick. Just to see something. Other way. Alright, cool.
I don't know why you hitting it in. Is that what it wanted?
Yeah. Your side it's gotta come down a little bit right here. What look like, Rich?
Almost.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, put it again.
You just gotta come down right here in the front. Gotta hit the front.
Okay, that ain't no big deal.
Once I hit the front, Rich is.
Nah, if we hit the front, the back's gotta come up.
I know it's gonna come up. That's what I'm saying. So don't